Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you very important thing that many people don't know and many people know about it. It's about salt and pepper. So I want to show you guys how salt and pepper are working together. So it's just a short video. So this is my salt. This is my salt. You can see it's my salt, and this is blended pepper. So the pepper I have in the fridge, I've already blended all. So I just want to show you the work of salt and pepper. So it's just a simple and short video. I told you guys that anything I do that good for me, work for me, I would like to share with you people, because you people is my people. I love you guys and the way you guys love me. So the work of pepper and salt. For example, maybe you are blended pepper or use mortar to pan pepper. By mistakenly, na pepper enter your eye. So the seed jump enter your eye, or your pikin or your sister or anybody eye, e enter. Instead of you to go carry water wash face, you know, when you carry water wash face, still the pepper, the pain go see dey inside your eye, you go see dey pain you. So what you do, you quickly run and pinch a salt and put in your tongue and lick it. When you pinch a salt and put in your tongue and lick it, just like a magic, within 2 seconds or 1 second sef, that pain, that pepper, where they pepper your eye, pain your eye, everything disappear. It work like a miracle. Immediately you put the salt in your tongue and lick it, that pepper that enter your eye, where you are dancing, you are screaming, shouting, everything disappear. Piang! So I say, ma share the thing with you guys. You say many people know about it too, and some don't know about it. That's why I want to share with you guys. This is my salt. I never open it. So if pepper enter my eye, I could just tear it and put a pinch inside your tongue and lick it. Immediately you lick it, that pepper, that pain, everything disappear like a miracle. So I just want to share with you guys the work of salt and pepper, because many times when you pan pepper, some don't want to use blender and blend pepper. Some would like to use mortar, small mortar, and pan the pepper. So by mistakenly, if you didn't take time, then by mistakenly, you see the seed jump enter your eye, or maybe the hand you use, by mistakenly you rub your eye. Story start. You started screaming, shouting, jumping. Before you know, when you pinch the salt, put for pepper your mouth immediately, all the pain, everything, pew, disappear. You will not feel anything, as if no be your eye pepper enter. You will not feel anything again. So I just want to share with you guys. I'm still begging you guys, continue subscribe, share, like, and comment. I still need you guys. Please subscribe for my channel and share. And when you go to my page, go to my video, you see many things that you learn. And at least you learn 1 or 2 things inside. If you go there, food, soup, many things. So we meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.